nothing ever stays the same. Once you let it change. Hey, let it think it up, let it think. Hey, let it think it up, let it think, let it think.
Welcome back to my channel. Today we will cook this super tasty plus quick and easy cream cheese pasta. We can't go wrong with this one, so let's begin. Here are the ingredients that we need. We will only use this much of cream cheese, since this is only for single serving. I will link the video above on how to prepare shirataki noodles. Preheat a saucepan and add olive oil. Then, sauté the garlic. Add the cream cheese. Pour a quarter cup of hot water. Then let the cream cheese melt. Once the cream cheese melts, add the sliced cheese. Then toss the cooked shirataki noodles. Let's now transfer it to our serving plate. Add some Parmesan cheese and pepper on top and we're done. It's super cheesy and so delicious. Try it out and enjoy. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel for more easy cooking ideas.